Hello everyone, I want to show you what I got. We got this Waykar 1200 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner and heater with inverter. Wall-mounted ductless AC unit cools up to 750 square feet, compatible with Alexa. We're gonna be showing you guys the installation, so stay tuned, guys. Equipped with a high-power compressor and a heat pump, this 12,000 BTU mini split delivers refreshing cooling in the summer and cozy heating in the winter. Innovative inverter technology ensures energy efficient performance while prolonging the unit's lifespan. Covers up to 750 square feet, making it ideal for bedroom, living rooms, garage, basements, and stores. This all-season mini split offers 8 operating modes to choose from: cooling, heating, dehumidification, auto, fan, quiet, sleep, and eco. In addition, it provides 6 fan speeds along with sleep mode, eco mode, I feel, and turbo function to meet your different comfort needs. Works with Alexa app and remote. Easily control your mini split from anywhere, whether you're at home, on the couch, or away from home. In addition, it comes with a quiet mode that won't disturb your work or daily life. The mini split comes with the I Feel function, which allows the unit to sense room temperature through the remote control instead of the indoor unit. While in cooling mode, it then adjusts airflow and temperature accordingly, delivering personalized comfort and improved energy savings. This mini split features a high temperature self-cleaning function. The outdoor unit is equipped with auto defrost to prevent damage and improve energy efficiency. It is all set and ready to be used, guys. We're gonna be taking a look at this remote control. Look at the different modes. You can turn it on, turn it off. You have the mode turbo timer as well. We're gonna be adjusting the temperature, guys. Look how you can do 65, or you can lower it down up to 61. That's the less that you can do. You can leave it at 61, guys. Look at all the options: the fan, the echo, the mute, the swing, the sleep. Very, very nice. Super, super easy to use, guys. You have the eye feel and eye set as well. Very nice, guys. So the max temperature that you can do is 79, guys. And the min is 61. Depending on how you feel, that's how you can do.